Hi everyone, my name is Amara Rivers and I'm going to be presenting on the theory that I chose for this assignment. Just a brief background on the population that I chose and our intervention. I chose women aged 40 to 60 years old who reside in northeastern Pennsylvania. My intervention deals mainly with social and behavioral determinants of health and how that relates to the social cognitive theory. When I was going through and learning about different theories, I picked this one because I think that it describes and uses factors and things like that that are most related to my population and also to my intervention. So, social cognitive theory describes the influence of individual experiences, the actions of others, and environmental factors on individual health behaviors. And I think that that's very important here. So, when you're looking at social and behavioral determinants of health, you're looking at not only the individual, but you're also looking at those environmental factors as well. So as an example, you can think of a time that you learned a skill from observing others, or another person. So like an example here, like you learned a behavior from seeing your parents bring food to a homeless person. So you learned that skill of empathy and love and those kind of things. And according to this theory, human functioning is described in a number of terms. And I'm just going to mention a few that I feel like really applied to my intervention, and that's the vicarious capability, ability to learn through observation, imitation, and modeling of others. And again, this theory really addresses the role of personal and environmental factors in individual health behaviors, which I think that you can build on to address the population. And that's why I chose this theory. Thanks for listening.